Hi girls, I hope that you're doing well. Today I'm gonna share with you an amazing natural skincare. All we need is 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, mix all ingredients. If you have a dry skin, you can do without the lemon juice. Just apply this on your skin, gently massage your skin in small circular motions. Wait till dry and leave it there for 15 minutes. Then, wash your face with warm water. Try it 2 times a week and you will get a great result. Thank you so much for watching me. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and share.